Okay, in this video I'm going to be taking a look at a couple of Android applications. Don't forget all the applications I review, you can find them in the description. So let's get this thing started. Okay, the first application we're going to be taking a look at is Bully Block. And what this is, it allows you to block calls, SMS. Say for example you're getting bullied, whether it be at school or harassed by someone else, a stalker or whatever, and they constantly calling you. You could just use this application and block their number or block their messages they send you. Here is where you have your block list of all your blocked numbers, and here you have all your blocked messages, so you can block any message that you want. You also have calls, we could add it to the list, and also you could record their voice as well, and it automatically gets saved to your SD card and you can keep it as evidence. And also you have your file down here where everything's logged, all your details are logged. It's great if you have children that maybe going to school, you just want to have this application in this phone so they don't get bullied or anything like that. This application is 42p from the marketplace, may vary from where you are. Yeah. Okay, the next application we take a look at is Soccer. It's a pretty simple game. It's basically a football game, and you just have to use your finger to flick the ball and try hit it on the target, and you have to try get it as accurately as you can. The game's pretty good. Graphics are fine. Everything works fine. You just have to try get it accurately. The more accurate you get it, the more points you get. And you could have a leaderboard. You could compete with your friends or other people online. It's a pretty decent application, and it's free from the marketplace. Okay, the next application we're going to be taking a look at is Northam Mobile Security. It's basically like an antivirus that you have on your phone. You have a bunch of different options. You could set anti-theft. And what that does is you can have a password. You can set a password, and then once you set everything up, and you just send a text message to your phones and a specific name or part of a password you have. You could either locate it, lock it, or wipe it. It's pretty cool. This is a trial version. I think it's for 22 days. You could also scan your phone as well for any malware. You could also scan your USB. Let's change it. You could have set the scan weekly, so you could just have it scan every week or whenever you want it to. You could also block calls and messages. It's a pretty good application. Keeps your phone protected, and it's free from the marketplace. Like I said, this is a trial. After the trial finishes, you would have to buy the full version. Next application we're taking a look at is Return Zero. Just gonna start off. And what you do is you just have to use the accelerometer to steer it and use this to go up or down to try get it within the targets. Obviously, the more you get it in, the more points you get. You have to try to do it in the fastest possible time, but if you miss it, like here, it slows you down, so it will affect your time. This application is pretty decent. There's a bunch of different levels that you can play through, but after a while it does get slightly repetitive, so bear that in mind. But other than that, it's still a great application. The next application we'll be taking a look at is Minecraft Canary. If you play Minecraft, you would kind of know what I'm talking about. But here you have a workshop that has all the recipes that you could make different stuff with wood. You got a bunch of different sections, armors, weapons. It just shows you how you had to make all of them, just in case you forget how to make something. You could come here and view all the recipes. You could also view the ID blocks, the numbers for the ID blocks. Food, this tells you about the food and everything that you need to know about Minecraft, all the tips and everything. This application is free from the marketplace, so you can get the paid version. I quickly want to show you SMS backup and restore, and what this does, it backs up all your messages that's on your phone and stores them on the SD card just by clicking backup. And then you can restore it maybe on another device. Say if you're, for example, changing your phone and you want to bring all your messages from the phone you have, you could just save them to your SD card and then download that on your new phone and just restore it on there. So it's a great way to keep your messages. It also works if you're rooting or flashing ROMs, and it's free from the marketplace. The last application we'll be taking a look at is Bowman. It's a pretty simple application. It's one of those flash games. You just have a bow and arrow, just drag it back, and you just have to try accurately hit it from the guy across. You could play against the computer or against other people from the same device. Not multiplayer online, but still a good application. You just have to try accurately hit the other person. And you could also do bird hunting as well. So you could just shoot down birds. See if you could accurately shoot down any birds. It's a pretty decent application. It's free from the marketplace. See, the last thing we're going to be taking a look at is a live wallpaper. We are just going to get that loaded up. This one's called Eastern Glow live wallpaper. I have the name of that in the description. So basically, it's pretty simple. You have like these fireflies going around the light, and you have a house in the background with a bridge going across. It's pretty like a relaxing wallpaper. It's pretty decent. It's free from the marketplace. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Tell me what you think, and also leave me some applications that you want me to review in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also follow me on Twitter for the latest information. Thanks for watching.